Hey YouTube, this is your girl Latoya. You are now tuned in to Dance Beauty TV. If you're interested about how I got this bomb nail set, keep watching. Hello everybody. Today, in order to achieve that bomb nail set, I'm going to be using my Young Nails Pro Acrylic Kit Core. And if you didn't know, I did an unboxing. I purchased this on the 7th and I got it on the 13th. So let's get into this nail set. So the first thing I did was laid all my utensils out that I was going to be using. I'm also going to be using the clear nail tips that comes with the kit and the glue that comes with the kit as well. So when you want to put this on, you want to angle your hands down. You want to make sure that the nail that you selected, the nail tip, it fits your nail, your natural nail, from sidewall to sidewall. That helps with not lifting. So make sure that the nail tip is from sidewall to sidewall. Okay, so what I've noticed about the Young Nails glue, it does dry pretty quickly, but you do have to hold the nail to the thing a lot longer versus other glues, but it still worked bomb because once it got on there it would not move, so that's a plus. And so now I'm just deciding what shape I want to cut my nails in and how long or short I want my nails to be. So I believe I decided to go with a coffin nail shape. Now the reason that you want to make sure that your shaping is on point before you lay your acrylic is because it just helps with the acrylic applying process. So that's what you guys see me doing. I'm going to do the rest off camera. Now that I have all my nail tips in the shape that I want, I'm going to go ahead and file them further into that coffin shape. Like I said, this definitely helps with laying on your acrylic. So do not be like me, guys. I used the 150 grit, and you will see the mistake that I made later on in the video by going with this choice. But you definitely want to shape that nail before you lay your acrylic down. So that's just what I'm doing. And be very, very careful because the Young Nails tips that they did give you, they are kind of flimsy, and trust me, child, I struggle with this so bad. I struggled so bad with this part. So just be gentle and take your time with this. But with me, for the sake of this video, I was being hella rough. So do not be like me. Trust me, do not be like me. Use a 200 something grit file for this process, because trust me, you'll see the mistake I made later on in the video. Side note, guys, so I absolutely adore these nails files that they gave. They're so sturdy. I love the shape of the nail files that they give you in this kit. They are so great for beginners. And what you see me doing here is just choosing the length that I wanted with those nail clippers that I just used, and I'm just further filing them into that shape. So I just wanted to throw that out there. It's nothing wrong with the nails files. It was just me. Here's a formal apology ahead of time. My ring light, I noticed, was up way too high, so it's kind of hard for you guys to see, so I apologize about that. Now that I have my shaping on point, I'm going to file the tip that meets my natural nail down so that it can be flush to the natural nail. And I'm taking my Melanie Susie, yes child, my e-file, I'm so thirsty y'all, but I'm gonna take that and I'm going to file down the bulkiness of the nail tip where it meets my natural nail. And I have this on a very low, I think it was like either 3,000 or 5,000 RPM. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for all my nails, because this helps with the laying down of the acrylic so that it won't be so bulky. So that's what you guys see me doing here. This was so easy, guys. I love the Melody Susie e-file. I'm going to be doing a review on it soon. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and hit me in the comment section, just letting me know if you will be interested in seeing that, because this was hella easy. Also, if you don't have an e-file, you can definitely use the files that Young Nails give you in the kit. I would suggest using one that is like 200 or something, or even just something with that won't harm your natural nail, okay? But yeah, you could have definitely done this, and you will most likely still see me use the file. So the next step you guys are going to see me do is clean off the dust and debris. I'm going to be using the brush and the swipe that Young Nail provides. And the swipe was so easy to use, and it didn't, no spills, no waste. It was just so easy. And I'm just going to clean off the dust and debris. The swipe also is a dehydrator and a cleanser. So it's perfect, guys. This is such a recommended kit. This is why you should not file your nails so hard. Prime example. It broke! Help! Chronicles of a Beginner. So now that my nail tip is all fixed on my thumb, I'm going to take my Protein Bond by Young Nails, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to my natural nails. Now, Young Nails Protein Bonds assures that the acrylic adheres to your natural nails. So this helps with no lifting and helps it to bond perfectly. Thank you, Young Nails, for including this, because everyone is ranting and raving about this product. So I'm gonna put it to the test. After applying this protein bond, I'm going to choose from the new custom colored acrylics I made using Young Nails kit. If you are interested in seeing that video, go ahead and click on the Doubts Beauty TV page. If you're not subscribed, you should, and you will find that video there. It was so much fun to make, and I'm super happy that I can actually showcase that product here. Okay, so I know you guys see I have a few nails done. That's because this was extremely hard. So number one, make up my mind about which colors that I want to use. And two, I needed to get the hang of laying down some acrylic before I came on camera. And I just want to say the struggle was real, only because I am a beginner in trying to know what size bead, how to pick it up, how to lay it down, and all that other stuff, the water ratio to dry ratio. But anyways, I kind of figured it out, did the best that I could. But what I did not show you guys is that I did lay down a thin layer of clear acrylic as the base, and then I laid the color acrylic on top, because I do intend on filing these nails down and doing a feel just to see how that protein bond would last me, okay? But I did use a cute powdery blue custom made that I did. I did create my very own core color, which was like a pink and peachy type of color with a hint of sparkle. And I used XX White by Young Nails. So there you have it. First off, honey, let me tell y'all, that custom acrylic, the custom colored acrylic that I made, y'all, it worked so good. If y'all have not seen that video of me making my own custom acrylic using the Young Nails acrylic, y'all need to go watch it. If you guys made it this far in the video, sis, what are you doing? You might as well subscribe, sis. Okay, because this was so much fun to do, and I hope you guys are enjoying watching it just as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Yeah, subscribe, sis. And go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you guys have ordered this Young Nails Core Acrylic Kit, or if you wouldn't mind ordering this kit, okay? And furthermore, I would suggest that you be kind and patient to yourself. If you are a beginner like me, do not stress about the perfect bead or getting that acrylic on there. You just want to make sure that your apex area is nice and thick, and so that it does not break. You want to make sure that your side walls are properly filled in so that they will not break. You know, It's plenty of videos that you can watch here on YouTube. I would suggest that you do so because that's exactly what I did. Half of the battle is in your shaping and your filing. So if you is a bulky hot mess like mine ended up coming out to be, trust me when I tell you that as long as you got a good sturdy file or e-file, you can shape that sucker to the best of your ability. Because this acrylic was so great to work with, okay? Especially for beginners. It didn't dry super fast. It gave you enough time to work with it. And for $104 with tax, $113 total, this was a really, really great kit, guys. Trust me, this was a really great kit. And I'm super happy that I purchased this kit. This is the part that I was talking about. Filing, okay? File the crap out of them nails. Take down some of that bulk. Make sure that your nails is perfectly shaped, and be kind to yourself. Practice makes perfect, okay? So even if you don't get it all the way, right the first time, your first nail set, trust me, by your third, fourth, fifth set, you're gonna be, better than you were when you first started. That's all I can say, guys. Now I'm going in with my Melody Susie and I'm taking off some more of that bulk and I'm making sure that I'm paying close attention to my cuticle area and I'm filing all around that cuticle area because we do not want any lifting. So I believe I did pretty good, but my cuticle area was a little ragged. So in order to fix that, rhinestones, you got it, bedazzle it up, honey. You gotta do what you gotta do. So I did purchase this rhinestone kit from Amazon. It was like $7.99. If I could remember to put it in the description, I will, but it came with a whole little set, the little glue that you have to put your hand in the UV lamp to cure. The jewels were super cute and the glue that it came with was really sturdy. So for $7.99, I can't beat that. But I had to put something on them struggle cuticles. I did pretty good, but nah, bruh. So the final steps that I did is I applied 2 coats of the Ultimate Finishing Gel and then I cured in my nail lamp for 60 seconds each, which you don't have to do that. That's just something that I did. This is a really good top coat or gel finish or whatever. It's really good. It's really strong. It dried really fast and it didn't have an odor. So that was great. And after that, after it cures, I'm going to hit my nails with some of that swipe because I couldn't find my alcohol. And I'm just gonna wipe that nail down and I'm gonna finish it off with my cuticle oil because I didn't wanna use the YOUNGNAILS cuticle oil because mine was more hydrating. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Because why not? Join the gang, okay? So congratulations to me and congratulations to yourself for sitting through this video. Again, stay tuned for the ending results and I appreciate you guys.